Okay, friends, so good morning. This is Amit, and we are going to discuss the very important topic mixture and alligation. So, I think you know the meaning of the mixture and alligation as well. If you don't know, so we are going to discuss here the meaning of mixture and alligation as well. Okay, so here you can see the picture of mixing red liquid in white. Okay, so this is the mixture, and you well know that what the mixture is. When two or more elements are mixed in a certain ratio, it is called mixture. Okay. Again, the alligation. What alligation is? The alligation is the method to find the ratio of the liquid or element which are mixing together. Okay. So in this here you can see which is right here. Alligation is the rule which enables us to find the ratio in which two or more elements are mixed together is called alligation. Okay. Again, again, we can see like you can see here. This is the diagram of alligation. How we apply the alligation with the diagram. You can see here. Here the CP of one unit of cheaper element. CP stand for cost price of the cheaper element. And here the CP, all again the CP stand for cost price of dearer element. Okay, then these two type of element which we are given, one is a cheaper price and another one is dearer. Okay, after that we will find the ratio of the cheaper and dear element ratio in this way. Okay, this is the process to find the ratio of the element which we mix together. Okay, okay, this is again we come forward to the question, or we can say the problem which is asking in the mixture topic. Okay, so the simple question is here: 24-liter mixture of milk and water. There is a ratio of milk and water is 3:5. It means you want to say there is a mixture of 24-liter in which milk and water both are mixed in the ratio of 3:5. How much water should be added? We want to know how much water should be added so that the ratio of the milk and water becomes 3:7. Okay, so I think you have the knowledge of ratio. I mean, you have the concept of ratio. The ratio concept will apply here. So if you don't know the meaning of ratio, I think you know. Okay, if you don't know, so we are going to discuss a small example. I will try to complete. I will try to get you understand the meaning of ratio. What the meaning of ratio is. Okay, like here is let's suppose two-person A and B are here, and the ratio of their. This is I'm taking another example. This is not related with this question. Okay, so let's suppose here is A and B, and the ages of their and the ratio of their ages is 2:3. So you can say if A is 2 years old, then B will be 3 years old. And here we definitely can't be say A is 2 years or 20 years or 40 years. We are not able to tell the value of unit 2 because nothing is giving here. You can simply compare the value of A and B. You can say only A is smaller than B. Okay. So here this is the ratio of age of A and B is here. If the more information about is given here, like he say the total age is 15 years, or we can say if the total age of A and B is 15 years, then find the value of A. Yeah, or the find the age of A. Okay, so we can apply here like this. What we can say here, the value of 5 unit is equal to 15 years. Okay, and here we are to find the value of 2 units because he is asking in the question. Okay, so we just simply so for for finding the value of 2 units, firstly you are to get the value of 1 unit of the ratio. Sorry, value of the 1 unit of the ratio. How we get the value of 1 unit? I think you know this is the unitary method. In unitary method, you always find the value of 1 unit, then multiply the value of 1 unit by the unit of which the value of you want. Okay. So here, firstly, how we get? So the value of 1 unit we get by dividing the value of the unit which is given here. I mean, the value of 5 unit is 15. Then to find out the value of 1 unit, we will divide the value 15 years of the from by the 5 units. Okay, so you will get here 1 unit value is 3 years. The value of 1 unit is 3 years, and you are asking for the value of 2 unit, means value of 2 unit. So here you can find the value of 2 units simply by multiplying the value of 1 unit here. So this is 6 years. Okay. So this concept we will apply here. Okay, come in this small box. We will solve the problem with the concept of this ratio. So firstly, in this method we only find the value of 1 unit. After that, you multiply the value which we want of the value want. Okay, again, let's see. We are going to solve this question in this small box. Okay, okay. So come on. Like here, you are giving the ratio of milk and water is 3:5. Okay, here the milk and water ratio is 3:5, and he want to add some water. He want to add some water. He don't know the quantity of the water, but he has the ratio. He has the ratio. He says the ratio becomes 3:7 after adding the quantity of water. A certain quantity he adds here. Okay. Then you can see here. You can see here how much unit is increased in here. Only 2 unit of the ratio is increased here. It means you can say the value of water have the value of 2 unit of the ratio here. So how we get the value of 2 units? Here in starting, the 24 liter of the mixture is given here. It means you can say the value of 8 unit is given here. How much this is? 24 liter. And finally, we are to find the value of 2 unit. So here, just a sec. Okay. So here we are going to find the value of how much unit? 2 units. So firstly, we will find the value of 1 unit. After that, we multiply by the 2 units. Okay, so value of 1 unit will be 24 and divided by 8. And to find the value of 2 units, simply 24 divided by 8 and multiply by 2. Here 3, and you can see the 6 liter of the quantity he should have to find the to get the ratio of 3:7. Okay. Similarly, in the second question, you can also see here a 28-liter mixture of milk and water. Again, here is the ratio of milk and water is given. How much it is? 3:4. And he want to add some water. I don't know. Yeah, we don't know how much water should he add it. So he is asking to you. So the ratio become how much? This is 3:5. Okay, simple. So now I think you get the value. What should be here? You are to find the value of only 1 unit which is increasing here. So you can say in starting initially the unit value is 7. You can say the value of 7 unit here is how much? It is 28 liter, and the value of 1 unit you have to find because only 1 unit is increasing here. So value of 1 unit, how we get? We get the value of 1 unit dividing by the 7, the value 28 liter divided by the 7. So if I say the value of 1 unit is 28 by 7 means 7 1 is 7, 7 4 the 20 is 28 means 4 liter. You can say he should add 4 liter water to make the mixture 3 is to 5. Okay, so this is a small, very important concept, and we will meet in next session. So for till then, thank you, and and go ahead. Okay, thank you very much.